In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Moomoo Crypto. Before we dive in, here's a quick reality check so you know exactly what to expect. Crypto trading on the Moomoo desktop platform is spot trading only. That means you're buying and selling actual coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum, not using leverage or margin. There's no borrowing involved. And the market runs around the clock every day, with only short maintenance windows from time to time. Let's get started on desktop. Open the Moomoo app and head to the crypto area. You can click the crypto tab directly or go through markets and select crypto there. This takes you to the crypto trading hub where you'll see a list of supported coins, including major names like Bitcoin and Ethereum alongside dozens of others. Pick a coin to explore its details. For example, choose BTC USD to open the chart. You'll see real-time price movement and can add indicators to help analyze trends. If you like following market depth, enable the order book to view active bids and asks. Take a moment to get comfortable with the layout so you can read price action at a glance. When you're ready to place a trade, click Trade from the crypto page to open the order ticket. The ticket looks and feels like the stock interface, so it should be familiar. Decide whether you want to buy or sell. Then choose how you want to enter the amount. You can specify a dollar amount or a crypto quantity, such as 0.01 BTC. Next, pick your order type. A market order will execute right away at the best available price, which is fast, but can be less predictable during volatile moves. A limit order lets you set your exact price and is generally recommended if you want more control, especially when the market is moving quickly. Before submitting, review the estimated fees. Crypto trades on Moomoo include a small transaction fee, typically around 0.49% depending on your region. The preview screen will show the breakdown so you can confirm everything looks right. When everything is set, click Preview, then Submit and Confirm. Once the order fills, your crypto position appears in your portfolio alongside your other holdings. You can come back to the chart at any time to monitor price or adjust your plan. A few final reminders to trade responsibly. Crypto trades 24/7, so prices can move at any hour. There's no leverage on Moomoo for crypto, which keeps risk contained to your own capital. Volatility can be high, so using limit orders can help you avoid unwanted fills during sudden spikes. That's it. You're ready to navigate Moomoo desktop for spot crypto trading with confidence.